burns on the application surface, especially on the surfaces such as exposed concrete, must be cleaned. Afterwards, the dust on the surface should be cleaned with a brush. Dry and overheated surfaces should be wetted before application. Concrete and exposed concrete surfaces can be cleaned by washing off the mold oil that reduces adhesion, but then the surface should be allowed to absorb water completely. Before using the plaster machine, care should be taken to ensure that the machine is clean and the water to be used is clean. If the hose is not clean, take water into the plaster machine and clean the inside of the spray hose. Adjust the air pressure and water flow rate. Open the bag and pour the powdered plaster into the plaster machine so that the plaster-water ratio is 5.5 to 6 water, 10 kilograms powdered plaster to Makonat. During the first operation of the machine, the first aqueous mixture that may come from the plastering machine should not be sprayed on the surface, and the water flow rate setting should be controlled. The mortar coming from the plastering machine should be taken into the container until it reaches a consistency that will not flow and pile up in the application. The mortar in the container can be used for repairing cracks and holes on the surface and for bonding plaster strip lathes. Spray the mortar on the application surface with a machine. Spray horizontally and evenly at every point. Take care not to leave any gaps. When the desired application thickness is reached, with the help of plaster strips, according to the smoothness of the surface, make the application area with a gauge or wide surface trowel from bottom to top by pressing the plaster strip lathes. Fill the gaps, if any, by removing the excess mortar on the gauge with a plaster trowel. Complete the screeding so that there are no gaps on the application surface. If there is no collapse on the surface when lightly pressed with a finger on the application area, perform the troweling process. Spray water on the application surface with a brush. With a rubber trowel, trowel the surface by moving in a circular motion on the Makonat application surface. After the troweling process, polish the surface with a steel trowel and make it ready for painting. Take water into the plastering machine and clean the inside of the spray hose and your machine for the next use.